I'm Hairnaik'S. I'm from the UK. I was living here in Malaysia 3 years ago, and when I came, I found I had a lot of really bad hair loss with the humidity, and it was see-through at the front and at the crown, as you can see in the pictures. And it's very self-conscious, especially when you're working in this environment. So when I came to Glomac, Dr. Jazz, he was really kind, and he showed me everything of the different stages, explained step by step, and took me through what was the next step, which I needed, showed me what I could have and the method, because I was looking at taking the strip completely off, and he introduced me to the Smart FUE. And number one is find yourself a reputable doctor and look in the before and afters, look for people who have a similar stage of hair loss that you have, and make the appointment, come see it, get it done, and you can get it done within a week. Here when I came, it was already booked in a week. Just take the plunge, I would say, because I feel a lot happier, and I think, I don't worry about it so much, and I think that's a big one less worry I've got to take in my head.